So here we are at the side of the road, a few hundred metres from home, and the burst fuel line. Lovely. Hello everyone, my name's Gilbs. Didn't really want to make this video, but I'm going to have to anyway. Basically, I was driving home today and down the end of my road about 400 metres from home, my mini burst the fuel line and broke down. So I'm a little bit sweaty from pushing it all the way back, but got it in the garage now, and well, it's not looking great. So down the front, there's a nice big puddle of fluid, and that is because the fuel line just under there has burst and chucked fuel everywhere. So the car runs for about 5 seconds and then it dies. Fantastic. So in addition to my ongoing A-level exams, I now have a broken down car to deal with. Thank God I was on my way back from buying this. Never has a beer been needed more. See you in the next one, guys. Cheers.